Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use interface on Whirlpool oven. And let's start with turning on oven itself. So we first need to press on this F right here. This knob should come out and you'll be able to pick a different mode that you want to use for this cooking process. So there's many different options and I covered them in other video. If you're interested, you can check it out. And next is temperature. So let's say we select this mode, change to the temperature, and here we can switch between 0 to 250 degrees. And lastly, we have the clock right here. So if you want to adjust the time, you can press on the plus and the minus at the same time. And that way we'll be able to switch between different time. And if you hold plus, it will go very fast. So you can adjust it like that. Then you can press on P. The time is set. Now we can actually set the timer for cooking. So press on the P, and here you'll be able to adjust the delay. And we're gonna go with 1 minute. Then duration on how long it will be cooking. In this case, we can go for like 25 minutes. Then P again, and you will see the end time. So it will finish on 20:38. We can click on the program again, and it will return to your normal time. So according to what we've said, it should begin cooking at 1 minute and cook it for 25 minutes. And it will end on 2028. So that's how you use the interface. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.